Hi, I'm David Abram. This name is business name because my roots are in the Middle East. But now I live in Japan. And usually I don't use English usually. So I know it's uncomfortable listen to my English. But this announcement is very, very important to me and to you, and even to all humankind. I really think it. So I decided to make presentation myself. The new currency is born in the history of the currency over thousands of years today. The world first blockchain-based resource-oriented currency. I think it's very historical and very revolutionary system. It's ecosystem. It's not only for it's historical, revolutionary. It's not only for cryptocurrency. It's for currency itself. So I need paper, and this same paper, please see the paper on your table. Why came up with resource-oriented, multi-resource-oriented currency? Let me tell you a little about history of currency. As you know, beginning of the currency, gold certificate and gold standard collapsed. And time has passed, both of blockchain and cryptocurrency. By the birth of cryptocurrency, for the first time, we have currency that is independent of any country. Many cryptocurrencies are born and disappear. Prices are volatile. The currency is issued regardless of its actual value, and the credibility of currency is impaired, as you know. And I tell you a little bit about my personal experience of the last 10 years. I engaged in some design of internet system development, such as internet payment system, internet communication system, bank security system, RFID card control system development. And one of project I engaged in the creation and marketing of cryptocurrency 2 years ago. But like any other cryptocurrency, its price have fallen and disappeared. So I have come to believe currency absolutely need price-backed asset. And in other hand, I got gold mine in Japan. And I started gold mine development in Japan, promoting the development of the actual gold mine in Kagoshima, south of Japan. And I have learned a very, very important know-how that in mine development, it is possible to raise funds by securitization, issuance of securities, by proving reserves. Even without development, it is possible to raise funds by securitization. So I have come to think if the concept of securitization of mine development is used for cryptocurrency, it may be possible to birth a new currency in the spirit of the gold standard. The birth of a new resource-oriented currency, KOC. KOC is the king of currency. What is the new multiple resource-oriented currency, KOC? A brand new utility token with 3 innovative features. Feature 1, innovative AAUT concept. AAUT is asset assigned utility token, not security token. It's very important. If it's a security token, regulated by Security and Exchange Law, it's very hard to trade and distribution. So this must be utility token. And assigning asset means link asset information to the blockchain. Blockchain token and blockchain currency has own original address. Assignment information to the address. AAUT is a utility token to which asset information is assigned. If the utility token split in two, the assigned asset information is split in two as well. If the utility token is split 3, the assigned asset information is split 3 as well. We have patent pending, more than 30 patents pending for assignment of asset information to blockchain. And system implement. You can check the blockchain asset assignment information on the system at any time. The important factor is outside the scope of the securities and exchange law. Let's compare the difference. Existing utility token like Bitcoin, its price rationale is nothing. And security law regulation is no. Then there is always risk of price drops and price fluctuation. And existing security token and securities, its price rationale is there, yes. But securities law regulation is yes. AAUT KOC is price rationale is there, yes. But security law regulation is no. It's too easy to trade and distribution. KOC is, I think, supersedes the gold standard. Supersedes. Well, gold standard is backed by gold, but resource basket is backed by multi-resources, such as gold mine, silver mine, copper mine, a different country, different mines, backed by entire, very, very huge. And multi-resources is very important because their risk to depend on one mine and one country, it's that risk. Therefore, it was necessary to have resource basket system with multi-resources as backing assets. So we call KOC resource basket currency. It will be known as a very important method from now on. And the registered resources in the basket are limited to those owned by listed company or guaranteed government with a fixed evaluation value, evaluate value. In addition, resource basket method, the resource basket method also make it possible to do interesting thing. It's a matter of course. Each time a mining resources is added to the basket, the value of basket is increased. So the value of KOC is increased too. Token price rise designed to intentionally raise the theoretical price of token. In other words, the value of asset determines the value of currencies. Therefore, it is important to certify the value of mined asset and manage the amount of currency issued. So, last month, a third-party organization is established in New York, a WAO, World Assignment Organization in New York. An independent committee consisting of 30 experts and influence people who are familiar with the world finance and mining industry. Consists of the entire world, including the Americas, Europe, Russia, Asia, South Asia, Oceania, the Middle East, and Africa. This WAO evaluate and look up mining resources that will be assigned asset of KOC, asset basket. And the certification will be published as information that investor can view. Role of WAO. WAO is, so to speak, the human blockchain that makes the basket resources and amount of issued token appropriate with that fund. Approval for inclusion of new assets in the asset basket. Approval of new token issue conditions. So, merit of mine owners and token investors. Mine owner, activate of debt assets. Funds can be raised without violating the security business law. There is no need to provide assets as collateral. And token investors merit value increase. Price fund risk is small, and the price rise is expected. The safety and security. Visualize the asset information assigned to the token on the blockchain. You can always grasp the theoretical value. So the first opportunity it's very important information. Who is the first assigned asset provider? It's China Dynamics listed company in Hong Kong. You can check the company, Hong Kong Stock Exchange. China Dynamics is a Hong Kong listed company engaged in mine development and electric vehicles. And what is the first assigned asset? It's Taoyuan Mine, owned by China Dynamics. The value is estimated 500 million US dollars. It's not estimated evaluation, it's final evaluation. This information published as IR information on the China Dynamics website. You can see it. The first assigned asset is 500 million US dollars. And the second assigned asset is Japanese gold mine, but it's still planned. A high quality gold mine in Kagoshima, south of Japan. About 1,000 million US, 1 billion US dollars will be assigned. Third assigned assets is Chilean copper mine. This copper mine owned by same company, China Dynamics, established, estimated valuation is expected to be over 1 billion US dollars. It's very huge. So first mine is fixed evaluation. But second and third is not final, it's estimated valuation. But once this valuation is confirmed, it will be added to the basket. And we are receiving inquiry from mine owners around the world now. Many mines from Mongolia, Myanmar, Russia, Kazakhstan, African countries. Even at the moment, the total estimated evaluation is in resource basket is billions of US dollars now. So, when the first sale, KOC official says we're planning to March 2021. And this time, we think a special pre-sale as below. And finally, if the monetary system become a platform of the future, valuation assets can be directly converted into financial assets. Then the economy can be established without damaging the earth as much as possible. That's what we have to do to the future. Thank you.